Every year we go back into the dens that we visited the prior year, and the purpose for that is to see how many cubs survived throughout the winter, or throughout the entire year. So during the month of February, the females that had cubs last year will actually go back in February the following year and see how many of those cubs survived, and that's how we get our recruitment rate. 8141 and 8142. 8141 is her tattoo. The recruitment rate is those cubs that have survived a year and will actually live to breed themselves. So that's what we're doing. We're just looking at survival rates.
Why? I can sneak right up on you.
Every female that we handle has a collar on her for the most part. They're our research bears, and this particular animal today was probably 400 or 500 yards off the road, along a lake up on top of a hill and in a rock cavity. We know she's there because she has a radio collar on, and what we'll do is, or what we have done, is gone in there and tranquilized her, collect the biological data, collect tissue samples, collect blood samples, weighed them.
65 pounds.
Got all the information we basically need at this point in time to put into our database and verify those animals survived.
I have to pull one of these guys back, Kels.
Yeah, let me grab him.
It's probably the 100 grain bone.
I got him. I got him.
He's the big one. We use a combination of ketamine hydrochloride and xylazine hydrochloride to tranquilize our black bears. It's based on how much we feel or figure the animal weighs. It's a guesstimate. The drug's very, very safe. You can overdose the animal considerably and the animal's just going to sleep a little bit longer. So, once we get there, we identify the animal, we see approximately how much they weigh, and we deliver it through a syringe, either via a jab pole or through a dart that's shot through a dart gun. And once the animal is injected with the drug, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and then they're sleeping. I'll put those two in over there. All right. It takes a lot of dedication. It's right now there's an inch of ice on top of 8 inches or 10 inches of snow. You're carrying probably the better fair share of 500 pounds worth of gear, between the 4 or 5 people that are going in there. It's treacherous, we're climbing up the side of a hill. The folks that do this are really dedicated to what they believe in, and we believe in the science and the management of this species so that the animal's around for everybody to enjoy and see in the future. So, we take this very seriously. It's a lot of hard work, but it's a lot of fun too.